Hi everybody, my name is Marco Flores and I'm studying mechanical engineer at City University, and today I'm going to make a workshop about using a field for pressure loading and creating constraints at the location for washer. Okay, and the first thing that we are going to do is to open the database, which is Anchor, and we're going to plot only the solid on point. Click on wireframe and click on plot and erase icon and click erase all and click erase all, click erase, and in the name plot put solid 1.1, 2 points, and click plot. Okay, and view corners. View corners. Okay. The next step is create point at the center of arc and put it the two solids. And make sure the solid icon at the edge icon. Okay, let's click on both and apply. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay. We are solving this little mistake. Clicking on. We're going to solve it. Hold on. Okay. Sometimes it could be a little bit different. Okay, hold on. Okay, we are going to create a cylinder coordinate system. Okay. Create. Okay. Apply, and we create the circle in the T function. Okay. Port. Okay. Okay. We create the cylinder coordinate system. We use 1000 for the load. And okay, we create the field for pressure. We create the pressure loading. Okay. In the select application region, we selected. Okay. Apply, and you see how it looks. That's how it should look. Then we are going to put it constraint at the washer, and in the translation we gonna put 000. Okay, 000 translation. Click OK and click on the select application, and we are going to put the three holes click OK and apply, and it is constrained and the load is applied, the load of 1000, and it looks like that. Okay, that's it. That's the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you like, give me a like, and thank you.